What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Moto Visuals. Today I got something in the mail and we are going to go over what I got, install it, and see how it performs. But first, let me show you what I got here. Got in the mail the Hertz SX 165 Neos. This is the Techno Research to update and to flash the radio. And under here, which I haven't opened yet, is the Precision Power amplifier. I got all this stuff from Volunteer Audio. And let's go over specifics real quick. First, we have the tool to flash the bike. You need this in order to flash the stock radio. If you do buy the new head unit they have, you don't need to flash the bike. So this is by Techno Research. If you go on Volunteer Audio's website, it'll give you specific ones you need if you want to keep the stock radio. So I got the one that's from 14 to 20, and everything's in here. It's still sealed. This is a one-time use. I'm actually going to have to send the cable back to them, and they'll refund some of my money. But I am paying for the device and the license. So you do need this if you're going to keep your stock radio. The second thing is I got here the Hertz SX 165 Neos. These are 6.5. I did a lot of research. These are the best for motorcycles that are out there right now. A lot of people use these Hertz. It's an Italian company, if I'm not mistaken, and they say the sound quality on these are very good, and that's the reason why I wanted to update it. On the highway with a full face, you barely could hear the music with the stock radio and the speakers, and it kind of sucks. So I updated that. We got that. And this is the Precision Power amp I got tuned already from Volunteer Audio, and all the wiring for it is ready to go, so I don't have to be cutting wires or anything like that. So let's see what's in here. Precision Power amp right there. For the Road Glide, they give you for the Road Glide, they actually give you the mounting plate under it. They give you some directions in there too. All these wiring is all done for you. That's what I wanted. It's plug and play. They say it's true plug and play, and obviously we're going to test that out. I don't think it's something that they just say it is, but it is. It's all plug and play. These are little bit directions that they give you. But first, what we're going to do, we're actually going to flash the radio, start tearing down the bike and updating and placing all the amp, the speakers, and all that fun stuff. So you actually need a PC to do this. Take your Techno Research box here. We're going to go to the computer. And they have a good detailed installation on their YouTube channel. And I kind of just skip steps because this is kind of something that they'll show you what you need to do. Obviously, you're going to download from technoresearch.info. It will bring you to the website. You go to support, downloads, and it'll give you this program that you need to download onto your PC. Now, I'm at the step where I need to connect everything. But first, what I got to do is I'm going to take off the bag and take off the side panel on the left side of the bike, because I need to get to this panel here. So I got to take this bag off. So let me do that. All right, so here we are. We're on the left side of the bike. What we're actually going to do is we're going to take this pin connector that comes with the Techno Research box, also with this Alaris box. You're going to plug it obviously into your PC, and then you're going to take your pin connector and plug it into here. This is sitting right under here, like so. You slide it on and off. This is for the 2020 models. 2021 and up, they have a red connector here. So look for a red one. I actually did the whole flash already. just to go over it real quick. I know I kind of just didn't film anything of like that, but I wanted to make sure I was doing this right. I was actually looking at the video that they put up. You know, use their videos below. They'll show you step by step how to install everything, how to do everything. And so what I also figured out, this is a one-time use. If I try to use it on another bike, it won't use it. Everything is working. I also, you could also change the Bluetooth here to the Apple CarPlay. So that works now. I could show you that real quick on with my phone. So what this does, it gets rid of you don't have to put that device that you put behind the fairing. You could just go into the program and just set it. All these other things I really don't know, but in order to show you that the flash did work, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the bike here. Let it cycle through. And I'm going to obviously accept every time. Now, the Wi-Fi, not the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, if you still have it connected to Bluetooth, it still won't work. You have to hard connect it, obviously with your Apple phone or CarPlay. And on the road glides, the little connector's in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug it in here, plug my phone in, and it says, would you like to switch to Apple CarPlay? Click CarPlay, and there it is. I mean, I have everything here. Obviously, it was on Spotify. I was just checking it out. Go to my home page here. Has everything. My text messages, news, podcasts, everything I need for CarPlay. WhatsApp, Waze. Obviously, Waze is something I use all the time. So yeah, so the flash, and yeah, there it is. So I got my Waze going, I got my Spotify going, I can check my text messages. My wife just texted me.
Ingrid said link to melt. That's everything.
Alright, even it talks to me. So there you go. So now I know the flash worked, and now what we're going to do is tear down this bike and get it prepped and ready so I can actually install the amp, install the speakers, and all that fun stuff. So let's put away the computer, let's turn off the bike, and off we go. Straightforward. There's 4 bolts here, pops up, goes into these little groups. I've been chugging along here, but let's put this other pod on. They did the wiring for me. They sent me the kit. Subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button.